Okay, let's create a new world. Difficulty hard. World options. World type. Single biome. Lush caves. Done. Let's go. First thing we need to do is find some trees. Oh, I nearly fell down this hole. There's our first tree. The nether's going to be really important because getting food in the overworld is really hard because there's no animals. And getting wood in the overworld is really hard because there's no saplings. One thing I will say about this snapshot, and hopefully Mojang will make some changes, is that it's really hard to get iron. It's quite rare, and you have to go very low down to actually get any. Get some coal for the first time. This means we can get torches. Start making a mine. Best food before we get to the nether is probably going to be bread. I made this pillar at 0, 0 so I know where spawn is, which is going to be quite useful. Because there's no real way to survive the night other than putting yourself in a hole. And what we really need to do is get spiders so we can get string to make a bed. I drowned myself to find out where spawn was, and I just realised half my items were where I drowned myself. Which explains why I have such a shortage of wood a second ago. Right, chest so we can put our stuff in it. Right, and then we can make a couple of stone swords. That's pretty useful. And everything else can go in this chest for safekeeping. And our... Oh, what happened? And our aim is just to collect as much string as we possibly can. Spider! This should be the first spider. Now we've just got to be the right distance so that that can see us and the skeleton can't. Oh no, the skeleton can see us. Come on. String. Yes, 2 string. Good start. Let's make a run for it. Stick the string in the chest. Oh! Okay, it's not too far from spawn though. But you do keep dying over and over again when doing this. Okay, there's the string. And there's the skeleton. We run for it. Morning already. I got 3 string in one night. Last time I did this, I got 11 string in one night, so there must be a seriously big cave system, which could be interesting to explore, actually. And I also saw a tree over there, so I'm just going to go over to that and get some more wood. You know what, I think the new ore textures are actually growing on me. It's quite nice having a bit of variety. Oh, well, good luck. There's a spider in the cave. Who stole some string? Yay. You can get some glow berries now. Okay, 7 string, just need 1 more string. Will this be the spider? Oh, there's already string on the ground anyway, that I missed. Just place down our first copper block. Makes such a good sound, copper blocks. So satisfying. Now the nearest pool's here, which means it's the perfect place to make a wheat farm. There we go. Now I can just make a glowberry farm. And there we have a glowberry farm. At least a started one. Yes, iron. Didn't take that so long after all. Maybe I was exaggerating the problem. But it still feels like there's a serious change to the meta, with iron being harder to find then. Well, there was a small vein as well. Than in previous versions. Ah, there's more iron. Yeah, I thought so. Hit deep slate now. Start mining deep slate. Although I'll just go back up and make an iron pickaxe first. Diamonds already. Very nice. 2 diamonds, but it's still nice. And I haven't found any more iron yet. Iron honestly does seem unnecessarily rare. I just remembered I need to be on a specific Y level for iron. Y32. Based on a Google. Hopefully that's the iteration used in this snapshot. And I'll just go up to Y32. And there we are. 5, 20. That's the X coordinate. What am I doing? Okay. Y coordinate 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Actually, yeah, probably standing on 31 will be ideal. Okay, that creeper just spawned right near my bed and it very nearly blew it up. Oh, meant to use the axe that time. That was close. Yeah, my farm's starting to grow glowberries. And I have a tongue twister, which is let me see if I can remember it. I have grown my very own homegrown glowberries. I'm gonna put it on some signs, see if it fits. I have. There we go. I have grown my very own homegrown glowberries. I challenge you to say that 3 times fast. Let me try. I have grown my very own homegrown glowberries. I've grown my very own homegrown glowberries. I've grown my very own homegrown glowberries. Oh, that wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be. But I tried it before and I kept mispronouncing it, so you know. Let's see, what can we make? A bunch of these. Now, this should make a very nice floor. So 40. I'll figure out the dimensions, and then I can start building a house. Ruined portal. That's perfect. Let's cut down this tree first. Okay, what have we got in the chest? 2 obsidian. I think that's what we need. Oh, some golden carrots. That's nice as food. And a little bit of armor. Perfect. Oh, I think we need 3 obsidian, so I'm going to have to get a lava bucket from somewhere, but... Oh, yeah, I need 9 pickaxes for that, which I don't have. I'm going to have to mine the crying obsidian as well. But, you know, we'll get there. There's no lava anywhere, because I've been mining for quite a bit. It's a bit disappointing, because it means that it's going to be a bit more difficult to fill in the portal. But... Oh, flint. That's good. But I have got a few magma blocks, so they might come in handy, we'll have to see. Hit bedrock, which honestly feels like an achievement. So, what layer is definitely not got bedrock in? Probably this layer, right? So I can go mining for diamonds now. Oh, all the wheat's grown. That means I can make myself quite a bit of bread. Okay, I've just got a call from some friends to play Minecraft on Bedrock Edition. So I'm going to finish the video here. I've just harvested the wheat. I've got 3 bread now, and the wheat farm's expanding. So we might actually have sustainable food. I don't even have enough wood to make another chest, but all I need is 1 lava bucket, and then we can go to the nether, and then our wood problem is solved. As you can see, I've been making myself a bit of a garden, a bit of a house. The glowberry farm is now producing glowberries at quite a serious rate. Just need to pick these up to put in my house. And that's going to have to be the end of the video. This was really interesting and really fun. It's nice to play a bit of a different challenge without being able to get any food and wood as easily. The new blocks, the deep slate blocks, are absolutely gorgeous. So, thanks for watching. And if you want me to play some more in the Lush caves, leave a comment down below.